Ganga Kedkar, sorry. He was my sir and I worked with him.
You were in an
I was in AIDS research. Go back.
Next, please. Sorry.
Sorry, both of them.
It's a minute. Here. Next.
Wonderful.
Ready, 5 minutes में हो जाएगा.
Here.
Make sure to give you guys reviews as well. Please do give reviews as well. Next.
Has made it. India can do it. As the promise, Duel, both of you started touring America. You did tell the reason about it. What America says, people see it. But now it is going to be other way around. What India is going to say, world has to see it. You did talk about I should be recommending my friends to go and watch this film, which is a pride for we India. Are we talking about the subtitling and stuff like that? How will they be able to?
Film is subtitled already, and in America they'd like to see subtitled film, not dub films. So it's already subtitled in English.
Oh, okay. And let's talk about from here, where are we going?
Oh, we have gone already to the moon, and now next stop is Mars, and then Sun.
Oh, Mars we've done already.
Yeah, but Sun we are going to do
वो
now.
बोल दिया ना आदित्य को उन्होंने तो बोल ही दिया है मोदी जी ने.
We are going to Sun.
हाँ. So means like women, they did it Chandrayaan, and women scientists have done it this vaccine war. So इससे बड़ी और तो कोई बात हो नहीं सकती है. भारत जो है कल कहाँ था G20 होस्ट कर रहा है और विवेक और पल्लवी का नया प्रोजेक्ट क्या आ रहा है क्योंकि लोगों को जानने की इच्छा रहती है.
बताइए.
आप बताइए. It's Vivek's pet project.
It's called the Delhi Files, and this is a true story of India's partition till date. What is wrong with India? Why we had partition? Why we have Kashmir genocide? Why we have Shaheen Bagh? This film will tell you that.
Mom is the survivor of 1947.
Who's the survivor?
mother.
Your
Arey,
mother?
Ankita.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
But she
was
should be
9
talking
years
to her.
old. Yes. This is very, very important. We don't have any history about that. Do you know that? Because when he said 1947, so Delhi Files, like, Hindu genocide is not been talked about it.
We have been researching for the film now for almost 5 years, and this film is going to be very
Because
different.
most of the people of that generation have already left this world.
But we still managed to get interviews of people who are as old as 90, 92, 95, and we have the research in place, and now hopefully we should start rolling the movie soon.
Wish you all the best. Good luck,
Thank you.
Vivek.
Thank
Love you
you
so much.
अब मैं थक गया हूँ. अब मैं थक गया हूँ.
Vaccine war. Your name?
My name is Sara Bengali.
My name is Samir Bungale.
What do you do?
I'm Vice President for Maharashtra Middle Chicago here, and I work with the Capgemini as an IT consultant.
I'm in clinical research.
Oh, so something like, let's talk to you more. Women scientists, we have seen what they showed for the Chandrayaan releases of Bharat, and we have seen like you know that there's so much of achievement. Because scientists have no caste, color, religion when it comes to the science. They have always been going. But we still start playing politics about how to write it about women who is playing the role as a mother, as a wife, as a daughter, and then professional career. Because when you come out to work, no matter who you are, and you have to work at home
I like this movie very much. I was able to connect with this movie much because the actual lab which was shown as an NIV, I worked there. Scientist Ganga Kedkar sir, who was shown in this movie, who was in the top scientist for ICMR. He was my sir with whom I worked. So it's a different bond and correlation with this movie. I would like to answer your question that women are like multitasking, no matter what, and they are very strong. So in whatever role you are going to put them, they are going to do the best. No matter it is a vaccine, it's a home, or it's a kids, or it's a career. So I feel like, and I am in the same background, so I cannot see that as an issue when it comes to as a career and to face the larger.
India already did it. If India can do it, no, India did it. That's the, we have to change the slogan. As a family, like how did you like it? Like, you know, they were talking, it's more, 70% women's contribution. So let's talk to a man who sees day in, day out this whole.
So, to be honest, like this movie has done due diligence to the entire storyline, what India can do it, and it has done it probably. At the same point, like small minor details that they have covered, which are kind of a correlate and relevant to the scientific research that is gone behind it. So they are talking about phase 1 study, phase 2 study, and how the critical it was to get the phase 3 studies thing. So they have kind of touched all the critical topics, and they have done an excellent job. And what you're mentioning about that woman there, right? So I have gone through that phases of that life in the COVID as well. So what we have seen women coming out of it, this movie shows that exactly what it is.
Thank you so very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Namaskar Nirmalaji, let's talk to you. Means it has shown the woman power, and we are seeing it how actually it has been there in our Sanatan Dharma, because we always call, I always say Shakti is one, Brahma Vishnu is three, and Shakti is still powerful. When we talk about displays of these kind of things, like a scientist, Chandrayaan was just 23 days, just saw that. And today we're watching this film on 25th of August, and this is the premiere. How did you feel? I mean, it's the same couple those who brought Kashmir Files. So this is something on a different tagline.
Thank you, Vandanaji. This is, first of all, I want to thank Vivek and community to bring up this movie, especially on how we are improved from after 70 years, within 9 years, and even in such a challenging times, COVID times. So in this movie, the highlights is woman power, empower, and also the government initiatives, and also the power of the scientists, women scientists, and also the research. They showed all three together, and it shows really amazing that India is so powerful. We didn't know that until now. So after 70 years, so we are actually now heading to the right direction. So I wish everyone should watch this movie and they know how powerful we are.
When we are seeing all these kind of things, it does bring a pride to us. We, the people of diaspora, those who are here, they are away from Bharat, but Bharat is not away from them. And when we are collectively actually participating in the development and the growth of it.
Because we are the desert of Prime Minister Modi.
That's what he said.
Yes. So Modi ji is always supporting science and technology. The example is Chandrayaan 3 and also COVID vaccine, many more. So I like when I was watching this movie, my eyes was rolling with tears because they showed so nicely about how women can be like, handles in both house and also multitasking, and it was really amazing how dedicated women are. And we are so simple in Bharat, but we are so powerful. That's what I heard, and I was really literally crying. All women and kids should watch this movie.
Thank you so very much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Vandanaji. Thank you, TV Asia. Thank you very much.
Your name for that one?
I am Dr. Nageshan Murthy.
Based on the Chicago Open, first of all, welcome you. Let's talk to you about this film that you saw the premiere. How did you like it? What was your association? Since you were closely talking that you have watched and gold medal from Kashmir.
Yeah, whatever they showed is very true, because always people consider Indian scientists are inferior. Whatever they do is not anything. But after when Vajpayee did a nuclear explosion, all the people's eyes opened, when they thought India did not they can do something good. And also software people, after the influx of software people, India has gained a lot of momentum. Even nowadays, they consider Indian scientists as good, and that trend has changed now.
The scientists have been very good, but it was happening, the brain was draining out, to be very honest. They are coming here, we know how Govind Khurana is, so they got Nobel prizes when they came out of Bharat. So it's not the scientists, but it was the acceptance from that particular government that they did not. So dikta hai, wo dikta hai. So if you, that is what we say, take power in yourself, recognize who you are, then only world will recognize you. That is what is happening for the last, I think, because very good example is Chandrayaan Italy. When Chandrayaan 2 failed, so this Honorable Prime Minister Modi was having the tears along with the same scientists and telling them कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So they gave them the money allocated, which Chandrayaan 2 was awarded by the previous government. So this is what world has to know. So you trust your people and that the leadership does matter. I think this was making you emotional that this didn't happen in your time.
Yeah. In our time, we wanted to show whatever Indian tradition, whatever they are doing, it is wrong. For example, they wanted to show that Britain is killing, it is bad. So I am the first scientist to show that Britain is killing, prevents cancer. So we have isolated milk compound from that, and it cooperated the 1942 Commonwealth Director of Cancer Institute. He epidemiologically shown that those who chew bitter leaf with tobacco, it prevents cancer. So after so many years, in 1987, I showed that bitter leaf is preventive.
Thank you so much. But let's talk about how did you like the film?
Our film is good. It shows how bureaucratic this system is and how difficult to put good things around the table.
As a woman, what is the message that you have after watching the film?
My name is Dr. Usha Korpe. I'm a physician and I have a lot of respect for the scientists and especially for the ladies. Our Indian women are, oh my God, superpower, way to go. When I saw this movie, this is amazing. You know, she's not only a mother, daughter and daughter-in-law, she's a scientist too. She's a superpower inside and outside.
Thank you so very much. Really appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Good evening, Rakesh and Apurva. As we had the pre-screening of this documentary, you know that Bharat did it. I was going to change the slogan, that we did it already. So it makes people of the diaspora take pride and it's not only this, in the any aspect you see, it's a basically the confidence, विश्वास की बात और उसको देखिए आपने इस स्क्रीनिंग को अरेंज किया और मीटिंग भी रखा था. पहले तो मैं पर्सनली पूछना चाहती हूँ, छोड़ दें उसको देखिए आपको फिल्म में क्या सबसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल लगा? व्हाट
टॉपिक बड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. उससे समझना मैं समझना था मुझे कि शायद बट इस टॉपिक इस स्ट्रॉन्ग सहज तरीके से उसने हमें बताया तो उससे हमें पता लगा बाकी कैसे इंडिया ने इतनी बड़ी चीज़ें की. तो ये फिल्म की सबसे बड़ी खासियत ये है इस फिल्म में बड़े सहज तरीके से बड़े सिंपल तरीके से लोगों को समझा कि India has achieved that.com, which is a great pride for all Indians everywhere. We all should feel pride. इसको देखना चाहिए. ये वाकई एक पैट्रियाटिक फिल्म है. ये जैसे फिल्म है, एक पैट्रियाटिक फिल्म है, जैसे कि एक वॉर में वॉर ये सब नहीं. ये पैट्रियाटिक फिल्म जो इंसान हर इंडियन को देखने में बात करता है.
पैट्रियाटिक फिल्म है. एक भारतीय मूल के होने के लिए उनको गर्व है इस बात पे कि क्या भारत ने करके दिखा दिया. राकेश, नमस्कार. आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ आपका मैसेज, मतलब देखिए बात तो आप कर रहे थे क्या है ये वो, बट जब देखने के बाद जो एक्सप्रेशंस आते हैं वो जो है वो क्या है?
सिर्फ सबसे पहले तो टीवी एशिया के सभी श्रोताओं को और दर्शकों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और एक दो शब्दों में अगर मैं संदेश दूँ तो इस फिल्म का संदेश है कि पहले देश और फिर शेष, कि भारत से बड़ी कोई चीज़ नहीं है। राष्ट्र है तो हम हैं, हमसे राष्ट्र नहीं है, राष्ट्र से हम हैं। दिस इज़ अ वेरी पॉजिटिव मैसेज। हम लोगों ने कौन सी मूवी में भारत में साइंस को सेलिब्रेट किया, साइंटिस्ट को सेलिब्रेट किया? हम लोग क्रिकेटर्स को करते हैं सेलिब्रेट, हम लोग बॉलीवुड की एक्टर्स को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, लेकिन ICMR के, इसरो के साइंटिस्ट को किसने सेलिब्रेट किया? तो विवेक जी को बहुत बहुत सलाम है, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है, उनका आभार है कि उन्होंने वैज्ञानिकों को और साथ में जो महिला वैज्ञानिक हैं उनको सेलिब्रेट किया है। तो संदेश ये जाता है कि हम लोगों ने 30 सालों से एक ही चीज़ सीखी और हमें कविताओं में यही पढ़ाया गया कि आंचल में है दूध, आंखों में है पानी, अबला नारी तेरी यही कहानी। इट इज़ नो लॉन्गर ट्रू। भारतीय महिलाओं ने ये सिद्ध कर दिया है कि वो स्पेस में भी जा सकती हैं, दवा भी बना सकती हैं, और दे आर केपेबल ऑफ फेसिंग एनी चैलेंज एंड विनिंग इट। सो इट्स अ वॉर won by the Indian scientists, Indian women scientists. So my thanks to all the women scientists and all the Nari Shakti in Bharat और भारत से बाहर।
बहुत खूबसूरत किस तरह से दिखाया गया। आपने कहा कि वो चांद पे भी जा सकती है, वैक्सीन भी बना सकती है, और उससे भी इम्पॉर्टेंट वो घर में रोटी भी बेल सकती है। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। इसमें मल्टीटास्किंग इंसान आदमी लोग से नहीं हो सकता। एंड आफ्टर दैट एंड देन टेकिंग द स्ट्रेस एट द वर्क नॉन लाइक यू नो, कितने घंटे वहाँ परिवार से दूर, बट लेकिन फिक्र नहीं है। चंद्रायन 3 को हमने देखा, इस तरह से दिखाया गया है। ये बहुत बड़ी मतलब भारत के लिए, और ये भारत अब आप इसको भारतीय लोग को देखेंगे, पर जो हमारे मतलब फ्रेंड्स हैं, फ्रेंड्स ऑफ इंडिया, उन तक ये मैसेज पहुंचना चाहिए कि वो देखें कि भारत अब सिर्फ 4 वर्ष का देश नहीं रहा। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है।
देखिए, आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा। जो लोग पूर्वाग्रह से ग्रसित थे, कि जिनका ये मानना था कि नारी कुछ नहीं कर सकती, एंड whenever they have a perception कि if it comes to women, they always have apprehension. Today, our women are running a pilot, they are running a jets, they are working in the Indian Army, they are working in the space. So it's a wonderful message कि वो सिर्फ ढोकला और बेसन के लड्डू नहीं बना सकती, वो चांद पे भी जा सकती हैं। हमारे पास कल्पना जी का एग्जाम्पल है, हमारे पास भारतीय सेना, वायु सेना में अनेकों महिलाओं का उदाहरण है जिन्होंने प्रूव किया है कि एक महिला कुछ भी कर सकती है। क्योंकि भारतीय नारी के लिए मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि त्याग, तपस्या और बलिदान भारतीय महिला की पहचान। क्योंकि जो मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ, ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि भारतीय महिला में ममता भी है, वो मधुर भी है, वो प्रबल भी है, वो प्रखर भी है, वो निर्भीक भी है, वो निडर भी है, एंड शी कैन डू इट। और जब हम बोलते हैं इंडिया कैन डू इट, विल से इंडियन वुमेन कैन डू इट।